Starting around 23 June 2023, Bitgert sort of is exchanging at $0.00000025 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.41% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Brise for the most part has a complete market cap of $100,831,010, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,224,219, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This sort of makes Bitgert, Brise fundamentally positioning at 188 in the cryptographic money market, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023 in a fundamentally enormous manner? Is Bitgert a genuinely wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023? Will Brise cost especially outperform its record-breaking high, which is genuinely critical? These certainly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost truly is supposed to for the most part cross a by and large normal value level of $0.00000031, the normal sort of least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the for the most part current year, ought to be $0.00000030 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Brise can especially arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.00000036 in a genuinely significant manner. Bitgert, Brise, value gauge June 2023. The Bitgert, Brise, cost for June 2023 may essentially arrive at an especially least worth of $0.00000024, while the by and large most extreme determined cost in every way that really matters is around $0.00000028, which sort of is very huge. The truly normal cost for Brise for the most part is for the most part anticipated to especially reach $0.00000027 in June 2023. Which by and large is genuinely critical. Brise value gauge July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Bitgert explicitly is supposed to really arrive at any rate value worth of $0.00000027, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Brise cost could sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.00000029, with the very normal cost around $0.00000028 in an in every way that really matters, huge way. Bitgert, Brise, value gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Bitgert truly anticipated to explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.00000028, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.00000030 and an especially least of $0.00000027, showing the way that the Brise cost could arrive at a very greatest cost of $0.00000029, with the very normal cost around $0.00000028 in a truly significant manner. Bitgert value gauge September 2023. The especially normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could explicitly go to $0.00000029 toward the finish of September 2023, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Brise could especially be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.00000031, with the base expected cost of $0.00000028 in an unobtrusive manner. Brise value estimate October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Bitgert generally is supposed to for the most part arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $0.00000028, which shows that besides brise can basically arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.00000036. Incredibly, the brise cost could essentially arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.00000033, with the truly normal cost around $0.00000030, or so they thought. Bitgert value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitgert certainly is supposed to be at around a truly least of $0.00000029 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert cost can especially arrive at a limit of $0.00000034, with the genuinely normal cost of $0.00000030 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Bitgert value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitgert by and large is supposed to really be at around a very least of $0.00000030 in a for the most part huge manner. Bitgert cost can especially arrive at a truly limit of $0.00000036, with the really normal cost of $0.00000031 in United States dollars, exhibiting that brise in every practical sense has a very complete market cap of $100,831,010, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,224,219, which is very huge. Bitgert fundamentally passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been in a real sense diminished by 3.89% in its most certainly current worth, or so they really thought. Assuming that we truly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the brise with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, exhibiting that Bitgert brise value estimate June 2023, the Bitgert brise cost for June 2023 may generally arrive at a very least worth of $0.00000024, while the really greatest gauge cost generally is around $0.00000028. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the brise generally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.65% in every practical sense huge way. Bitgert sort of has shown areas of strength for really potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and fundamentally put resources into a major way. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of brise for the most part diminished by 47.995%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of $0.00000024 from its kind of current worth. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a by and large great truly purchase of potential open door for exceptionally fast venture. So assuming that we especially look at the kind of current market cap of the brise with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap basically is likewise down, showing that Bitgert brise value figure June 2023, the Bitgert brise cost for June 2023 may explicitly arrive at a very